Hello guys, welcome back. We got another Prelude working video once again. So I took the front bumper off. Now the car looks totally in. And the reason being is, for one, I wanted to get these brackets off here so I could spray them with some rust reformer and clean them up. Secondly, so I could put the front lip on. And third, thought I'd take a look at some of the other random brackets and stuff and just get things cleaned up in here. I took the heat shield off because I want to get some high temp paint, scuff this up, clean it up, paint it silver, and get the engine bay looking a lot more presentable for car shows. Now, by all means, it isn't going to be perfect, but it'll do for a runner and driver. While I'm here at this state, those brackets are dry, so I'm going to put them back on, and I'm going to take a look at the bumper to see what I got to do in order to get that lip installed. Because I've looked plenty of places on YouTube, can't find anybody that'll tell you how to put these lips on.
Pause.
Properly. Pause. So I'm gonna be that person to help y'all out. So with the power invested in me and YouTube magic, we're gonna go from this, and just like that, these brackets are back on there, looking a lot cleaner. While I was there, found out that there's a service position for the hood. That's cool. Almost hits the garage though. Did some touch up on some rust spots up there with reformer, and I did the bash bar down here. I'm undecided if I want to change out these headlights or if I should just keep them stock. I have another set. I think I might change them out just because they have projectors and it's hard to see at night with this car. But I haven't decided yet. Next thing we gotta do is we gotta tackle this lip. This lip is gonna be a problem because I'm the only one here. So I think I'm just gonna push this in the garage for a little bit. And I gotta go out somewhere, so we're gonna pick this back up when we get back. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome. It's another day. And you guys see behind me, I got the lip on the car finally. It looks great. And I'm starting to button things up on the car. I got a little carried away here and continued on spraying a couple of rusty brackets that I had. But I also got the heat shield off, and I'm going to wire wheel it a little bit and spray it with some high temp black paints. Some high heat Rust-Oleum. And while I'm still there, I'm gonna look at maybe putting these twin disc horns on. I don't know. We'll see what the day has for us. Anywho, let me catch you guys in the next part of this when I figure out a game plan. This is my visual while I work on the car. Can you stop bullying your mother, please, sir? So I can get some work done. Okay, so I've decided that what I'm gonna tackle first is I put the bracket back on the car after I painted it, but I'm gonna tackle this heat shield now. So this heat shield, I wire wheeled most of the rust away, and my plan here is that I'm gonna spray it with the high temp, let it sit, dry. Look at them over there. I get distracted very easily, clearly. But I'm gonna let it sit and dry, put it back on the car. I got a buddy that's showing up here, and he's gonna check out my progress and give me an idea if I'm going in the right direction with this thing. I know I am, but you know, it's nice to hear that sometimes. Okay, so the heat shield has been sprayed. I'm just letting it dry now before I put it back on the car. And honestly, it's gonna look totally different in this engine bay. Once I get it power washed and get a lot of the grime out, all these little brackets, is going to add up after a while, because once I get these coilovers installed, the problem is though, is that I get picky. So now it's like, do I want to do this? Do I want to, if I do that, do I want to start, you know, getting dress up bolts? It just adds up really quickly. But I'm going to take a pause here, do a little bit of gardening. You can see I got a little bird up in that tree back there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, there's a nest up there, so I'm gonna do some edging. Let me know if you guys want to see like a housekeeping series where I like try to learn how to maintain my home. This is my first home, and yeah, actually, yeah, once it's all back together, I'll do a little before and after of when we picked up the car versus how it is now on the engine bay. And then once the rust repair and everything is done with the car, we'll do a before and after. And I'll probably do a series, do a reel of how much everything costs. So if you guys wanted to replicate this yourself, you could do it. Yeah, because there was a question in one of the comments of one of the videos if I would do that. Definitely. Stay tuned. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I think that cleans up the engine bay a lot. Take a look at this. Like, it's the little details. Now, of course, you could get new hoses, new clamps, and that'll clean everything up a lot faster. But I think the key here is that you've done the minimal things, so as long as you get the pressure washer, everything is gonna look a lot better. And that is something that I want to make sure that I get done to prevent rust taking this car even more. And also, I forgot to show you guys that when I put the bumper back on, the lip is on now, and that changes the whole front end of the car. I feel like it updates it like 5 years, honestly. Now, I think what I want to do is open that up right there. If I can get that in here, oh, chef's kiss. All right, y'all, so we got one of the side skirts off here, and honestly, the rust around that area is not bad, so I don't think they're gonna up the price that I went there to get as far as to fix this rust. Let's take a look. Ultimately, make sure you guys clean your C channels. We got a replacement door, but that's the extent of it. So, I got some updates. We got one of the side skirts back on. The other side skirt I'm leaving off because I'm gonna wait until after the rust appointment because they're gonna take care of that rocker for me. But, ooh-wee, it's all coming together and I'm loving it. You guys seen the front lip already, but look at that side skirt. Paint matched to perfection. Look at it. Beautiful. Come around to the back side. Once again, this is the good side of the car. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Slowly but surely, car's coming together. Once the rust appointment's done, we're gonna have to tackle the passenger side paint. I'm gonna leave that for another episode. If you like what you've seen, you guys hit that like button, comment, subscribe. We just hit 205 subscribers. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you for the love. I'm gonna keep this going. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care. What's going on, y'all? Thank you guys for watching this episode in season 2 of the vlogs. Before you get gone, we got new merch on our Amazon shop. We have hoodies, we got t-shirts, we got everything you can think of on there. Go and take a look at it. Links down below. We also dropping music constantly. And when you see it, it's also going to be on the channel. You can also see it on Spotify, Apple Music, everywhere you think of. Anything with DSPs, bruh. And thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace. Drop the Addy, I send you the keys, got me as the screen in your phone. I don't got time for the back and forth, look girl, I got money to make. By the time I'm finished here, they gon' mortalize me in my city like Tate. Call me when you see me, we gon' get clearance in the city like Drake. In the 617, big stones on my neck like a riverbank. On the surface, you look hesitant, tryna gauge me, girl, that's evident. Tired of your old nigga, you can send your cousins out to his residence. JetBlue first class, you can meet me here in a bureau. Yeah, you a dime piece, but you hanging out with these zeros. But me in the post, I stay by the coast, right back in the van. Like you to Miami, Miller, mommy, back at again. Lucky number 7, asking you a question, girl, where have you been? Look, she's my twin, shawty wanna do it again.
Hola baby, mucho gusto, chula quiero ser tu chulo. No voy a frontear de todas tus amigas, tú eres la que me gustó. Te amo si te respetas tú misma, mami, pa' mí eso es lujo. Si tu ex me frontea, la dejo como que había un brujo. Sin faltarte respeto, yo no soy perfecto y quiero hablarte directo. Yo soy guerrero, aquí queriendo y buscando amor verdadero. Me fallaron un montón de veces, ahora en mi corazón hay un hueco. No voy a cambiar quién yo soy, me voy a ganar lo que yo me merezco. Yeah, te llamo después del trabajo, lo enrolo y yo me arrebato. Tu vida y yo voy a hacer un pacto. Yeah, con el tiempo buscamos pastores y hacemos el pacto. No te preocupes por nada, mami, I got you. Right there.
But me in the post, I stay by the coast, right back in the van. Like you to Miami, Miller, mommy, back at again. Lucky number 7, asking you a question, girl, where have you been? Look, she's my twin, shawty wanna do it again.
Yeah, me too. Sexy lady, know that she a freak too. Just met you, but I gotta pay attention. Yeah, too fast, you turn stranger to best friend. Yeah, and that's not even the best thing. No stressing, know your presence is a blessing. Yeah, your body don't need no addressing. Your body don't. I beat it myself on a regular. I can fuck with people that don't get it. My shot if she want me, come get it right, set it up. When you bang, girl, I'm ready to link. Coast to coast to the north to the name. Or wherever, it don't really matter to me. Shawty just let me know what you think. You the realest girl, know it ain't fake. Say I love you when I'm in the pink. Say I hate you when I'm in the brown.
Got me digging, I'm choking and holding your neck, girl, you loving me, holding you down.
I'm just joking, but in actuality, I'm thinking I really need it right now. Think I need you right up in my hands. I don't think you really understand. I could bring you right back to the van.
But me in the post, I stay by the coast, right back in the van. Like you to Miami, Miller, mommy, back at again. Lucky number 7, asking you a question, girl, where have you been? Look, she's my twin, shawty wanna do it again.